Welcome to the Oil and Gas Training Institute, where success is the only destination. Get on board with Pertecnica today. The future of oil and gas piping as a career in India holds promise, propelled by ongoing infrastructure projects and the energy sector's sustained growth. Pertecnica offering a certification course on designing of pipeline for oil and gas industry. Why this course and what you'll learn? Process understanding, piping codes and standards, preliminary design, material selection, pipe sizing and routing, support and hanger designing, valve and fitting selection, fabrication and construction, inspection, testing and commissioning, safety considerations, maintenance and monitoring. What jobs you'll get: piping design manager, lead piping engineer, principal pipeline engineer, materials and corrosion engineer, pipeline construction manager, piping stress engineer, piping and instrumentation diagram specialist, pipeline project and commissioning manager, pipeline operations manager, pipeline regulatory compliance specialist,